Have you ever wondered how an automatic intelligent parking system works? Well, you're not alone. These systems are revolutionizing the way we park our vehicles, making the process more efficient and less stressful. Imagine a world where parking is as simple as driving into a lot and letting technology do the rest. This isn't just a vision for the future, it's a reality you can create at home with the Schogini Toys Parking DIY Kit. Now let's unbox this intriguing kit and see what's inside. As we open the box, we're greeted with a single sheet manual and the pre-wired and pre-programmed project. Inside, we find an array of components, each playing a crucial role in our intelligent parking system. Let's start with the servo motor. This is the heart of the operation, acting as our automatic parking barrier. Next, we have a pair of IR sensor modules. These are our eyes on the ground, detecting vehicles entering and leaving the parking lot. A 4-digit 7-segment display is also included. This will show us how many parking slots are available at any given moment. The pre-programmed CPU and buzzer work together to control the system and provide audible alerts, respectively. The kit also provides us with straws and jumper wires for connecting components and a battery holder. Just pop in 4 AA batteries and we're powered up. With all these components, we're ready to assemble our automatic intelligent parking system. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the pre-wired and pre-programmed project. You'll start by carefully opening the battery holder and inserting 4 AA batteries. Next, connect the straw to the servo motor. This will act as your parking barrier. Then, it's as simple as flipping the switch to power on. Once powered, you'll notice the project springs to life with an audio sequence and the 4-digit 7-segment display indicating that parking slots are free. This is your own real-world automatic intelligent parking system. One infrared sensor will detect vehicles coming in, while the other will detect those exiting the parking slot. As vehicles move in and out, the slot counter updates accordingly. The system can handle up to 9 slots. When all 9 slots are filled, the display will show full, and no new vehicles can enter until another departs. This fascinating system is an excellent example of how technology can simplify our day-to-day tasks. But the fun doesn't stop there. You can build creative cardboard models around this system. Imagine creating a mini parking garage or a bustling cityscape. This project can be a star attraction at school science fairs or exhibitions. It's a perfect blend of learning and fun, demonstrating how electronics can bring our imaginations to life. And there you have it, an automatic intelligent parking system right at your fingertips. It's amazing how much we can learn and create with a little curiosity and a willingness to try new things.